Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sprite that will become the start button. Create or import a graphic and add 3 costumes: default, hover, and pressed so you can show state changes. Once done, set the sprite size and position so players can easily click it. Record the X and Y coordinates. Make sure to name the sprite clearly. Now attach a simple event block to detect clicks so the button starts responding immediately as you move into interaction logic. You now implement the interactive behavior that makes the button feel real. Use a when this sprite clicked block to broadcast a start message. This triggers game scripts elsewhere. In parallel, use sensing to detect pointer over and mouse down. Switch to hover costume on pointer over and to pressed costume while clicked so users get feedback. Also reset key variables or stop intro music when you broadcast start. These steps ensure a responsive, predictable start action for You finish by polishing and testing the button so it never fails during play. Run the project and confirm listeners receive the start broadcast and variables reset as intended. If things repeat, use a started flag to ignore repeated clicks or add a 0. 2s wait after activation. Make sure the button is on top layer and costumes are named correctly. If the button doesn't respond, check broadcast spelling, costume names, and that no other script stops the sprite from sensing clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.